Yeah, my name is Sukhminder Kaur. My roll number student ID is W331008309, and my topic is to explain about the global development deals. What is the definition or what is the meaning of global development deal? It is a term of a global development where a child can take a long research to certain development milestone for other child age. The GDD is a short form of Global Development Deals. This is a term in which a child can progress through the preventive development phases slowly. Stop is called as a Global Development Deal. This might include a learning to walk or talk, a movement skills, movement skills, learning new things and inventions with other socials and emotions. It's come under the age of 3 to 17 years, above 1 in 670%. It can be adaptive when a child is deal with one or more milestones. Characteristic in the ages are speaking and language, variations, motor skills and consecutive skills. These are the types where we have to explain. So my topic is skills, motor skills. What is a motor skills? Motor skills are the functions that involve a special movement of the body muscles to perform in a different task. In the motor skills, you can invest where a child is able to concentrate in a large muscles group, such as those by walking, running, bike with the help of arms and legs, and a small muscles such of those in the hand. Those goals of a motor skills are options available to perform a skills and a rate of success and reduce the energy consumed for the performance. Now I will tell you what is the causes, means what causes we can get a student in a motor skill. What are the effects or the causes? The motor skills delay in a causes by a range of factors including existing child and genetic coordination such as encephaloplastic, which cause a shortage of limit and conduct that affect the muscles and the muscles, and that can be cause of structure or muscles. It may be a causes of muscle structures problem can be delay. There are the types where it can be affect general conditions, genetic conditions. Certain genetic conditions can be a down symbol and a critical path which affect the development of motor skills. Second is a premature birth, means before the 9 month early the childbirth born, that is called a premature skills. It's in fact when the born premature may be expired delay in a motor development due to the underdeveloped muscles or nervous system, means our muscles will be not properly developed or nervous system problem will be there, so there will be a premature birth. Brain injury. Brain injury or any other type of brain damage can affect the motor skill development of the location. Fourth will be the environment factor where it can be also affected. Exposure toxin or other environment hazard affect the motor development. These are the notice that the motor development is a complex process that influenced by many factors and dealing or the impact which is a radius of causes. I will explain you the type of treatment of motor skill, how it will be treated. Yes, there are many type of treatment which can be help a child in a motor skills. You can be in a global development of physical therapy, occasion therapy, speech language therapy, early childhood special education, behavior theory. Physical theory is a help the child to the improve in the balance, condition and a structure which occur. Therapy can help the child develop in fine motor skills and is used for grasping, manipulating object. It also useful for the child for delay in a growth. Occupation therapy, this they address the fine motor skill, senses process and self-help issue. Speak and language is a therapy which help the child to speak language. Delay it can be impact and ability to communicate with interact with other, and it is a such as mobile eyes and the communication can be also useful for supporting child. Fourth is early childhood special education and a behavior therapy. In addition, this therapy, medical and surgery is also a useful case in treatment under medical condition that can be considered as a motor skill deal. Now I will tell you about the local resources, from where we can get a local resources. The factor maybe helps parents in the child with their deals. There are There are many local resources available to support parents who has a child with not proper maintaining of motor skills delay. This research include in a hospital, clinic, schools and communicate center that physical therapy, occupation therapy, speech and language therapy, easy childhood, spend education and behavior therapy. Local people support groups, online communication is also helpful for the parents. The more important point is the other location you can support the parents by the child who has this by non-profit organizations such as Eastern Seas, Unit Center Plate and the National Down System Society, which offer a range of service including themes, education support and a local library, museum and parks also is a program and activity for the child to the developed day. More about you can know that a family doctor can also help for the motor skills for the child who do not have a ability and useful for this. Lastly, I will explain you about including any additional helpful information from other educated or parents you can get it. In additional local resource, there are many other things that education and parents can do support children with their motor skill. It includes certain safe and supportive environment of child. Environment should be a properly provide opportunity for the physical activity by playing, sanctions activity in daily routines, working with the children therapy in the informed skills and structure at home in a classroom. It is also a communicated range with the child. Healthcare provide the therapy and easy to effect. And the best way of the supporting is that for child. Provide opportunity for the physical activity, play, encourage sense activity, the daily routine and work with the child heavy to reinforcement. And all this finally last will be the education and the parents, editors and the parents should remain to be a pattern supports and encourage to child to motor skill deal and require more times and practice to develop their skills. And the help the educated and the parents in use of various of teaching structure and technology to support child in the motor skill deals. For example, visual aid, breaking down complex text in a small step, provide positive feedback and encouraging and cooperating technology. This is all what with the help of motor skill we can help our child and encourage. So this is my topic which I have explained you. Thank you and have a nice day.